sound? Sound is energy. Energy that causes vibrations to travel in the form of sound waves through the air and through water. Place 2 fingers on your throat. Say the ABCs or sing a song. You're going to feel the vibrations against your fingers. Those are your vocal cords vibrating, producing those sound waves that we hear. For this sound experiment, this is a guitar with its vibrating strings. For this sound experiment, you're going to need a metal spoon or some other metal object and string. And you're going to tie the string around the metal object in the middle, leaving 2 sides of the string on both sides there. Now Emma is going to place the string by her ears, and now she's going to tap the spoon gently against the side of the deck. Okay, Emma, what do you hear?
It sounds like bells.
The sound is traveling up the spoon. The vibrations are traveling through the string to your eardrums. Try this one at home. For this experiment, we have a speaker and a pan with rice on top. Now Emma's going to hold the pan over the speaker, but not touching the speaker. And the sound waves and the vibrations caused by these sound waves are going to make the rice dance. Check it out. For this sound experiment, you will need some kind of bowl with clear plastic wrap. I secured mine with a rubber band. And on top I put some sugar crystals. And I'm using a spoon and the top of my sugar canister. They're both metal, and we're going to create a drumming sound with it. You're going to notice that the sound waves caused by the drumming of the spoon against the metal top is going to cause vibrations that make our sugar crystals move. For this sound experiment, you will need some kind of bucket of water, 2 metal objects, here I chose spoons, and a water bottle with the top cut off. Make sure that you have a parent help you with that. For this one, we're going to explore if sound travels better through the air or through water. Emma's going to place the water bottle over her ear and into the water. So make sure that the bottom part of the water bottle is underwater. Then we're going to take the 2 metal objects and we're going to clink them together under the water. You hold one. How does that sound, Emma?
The sound of the spoon is very loud, and it's a lot faster the sound travels a lot faster underwater.
For this sound experiment, you'll need a very long string and a plastic cup. Have a parent help you make a hole in the bottom of the cup. And I just made a little knot at the end of the rope. You can also put a paper clip if the string keeps coming out of the cup. Now check out and see how far Emma is over there. So when I talk through this cup, my sound waves, the vibrations, are going to move through the string, and Emma's going to be able to hear me on the other side. Check it out. Hi, Emma. How are you doing?
Hi, Mommy. I'm good.
What's your favorite color?
Pink? No, purple. Purple.
I asked Emma what her favorite color was, and she said purple. So try this sound experiment at home with cup, some string. Make sure it's nice and straight when you are talking and listening. We can draw sound waves in two different ways for high and low pitch sounds. So when you make a high pitch sound like ah, our sound waves are really close together. They're tall and close together with very little space between them. When you make a low pitch sound, this is what your sound waves look like. The waves are further apart. They're more spread out. Practice.